At the American University in Cairo, education extends far beyond the lecture halls. Student organizations are hands-on training grounds for essential skills that employers actively look for. Through leadership roles and project management, students develop skills in leadership and management, communication, problem solving, teamwork, and collaboration. The American University in Cairo has a diverse and extensive range of student organizations and clubs. These organizations offer students a way to pursue their passion, gain practical skills, and connect with peers and professionals.
Of course, I think it's very important for people who are looking for applicants for a job to consider it as something positive if the applicant has joined a student entity in their university, because as I've mentioned before, I think it's a mock for the real world. It's as if it's a real job. So I always say that to my team. I see student activities as if it's a mock business. You have a huge budget, you have a full-on team with HR, PR, all the aspects of a real company, and you get to lead that as students. So I think it gives you a perfect opportunity and the perfect experience to get exposure before going out to the real world and experiencing real jobs.
Balancing academic commitments with active participation in clubs and associations is a significant challenge for many students at the American University in Cairo. However, it's a challenge that often leads to the development of exceptional time management and organizational skills. In addition to learning how to think, students are also learning how to lead, innovate, and leave their mark on the world.
I think we have reached a very good stage where our student leaders demonstrated real power and have given us evidence that co-curricular activities shape our students and really shape their futures and careers. Of course, they learn delegation, and this supports and polishes their leadership skills. They learn how to liaise and negotiate. They learn how to comply and manage the expectations of their teams and of their parents and family members as well. Every year in our parents' orientation, we talk to parents and tell them that it's very important that you understand that your return on investment is not only the grades, it's also the wholesome, well-composed character or personality your son and daughter will graduate with.
Long after they leave these lively halls, the skills they developed within these organizations will be crucial to their future success. When it comes to the psychological side, many AUC students find that being involved in clubs actually helps their academic performance. The need to juggle multiple responsibilities forces them to be more organized, and as a lot of people say, you get better at time management the more you have to juggle. This experience not only helps them succeed in university, but also builds a valuable skill set for their future careers. The discipline and focus they learn from balancing clubs and academics are skills that are highly valued in any professional environment. This was Nour Wael reporting for AUCTV.